Hi, today I'll show you the perfect SEO checklist for your small business. So let me introduce myself. My name is Gulfarm Kamar, and I run a small SEO agency called Optimize Karo. And so let me start my SEO checklist for that. Okay, so I will give this a checklist link in the description. So you just need to go and copy this roadmap and checklist and just use by yourself. Uh, so I just mentioned some quick wins here. So number one quick win is position 4 to 15. So you just need to go and find from SEMrush and from position, for example, 14 to 4 to 15, because if your keyword is ranking between 4 to 15, then it's mean that you probably will rank your keyword if you just use your main keyword in your title and in H1 and one of the heading paragraph and one of the paragraph tag. Okay, so this is very easy thing to do. Then you just need to go and find rich snippets opportunities right now. Then you need to go and find that pages that are like declining in search console. So you need to find those pages which are right now search, which are declined right now, and just need to find and optimize that page or update the content. Then the next one is content gap. You just need to go and find your content gap between you and your competitors. Then you need to go and find the cannibalization errors. Then you need to find the broken links error, internal link, unlinked brand mentions, anchor tag optimization, and then you need to do fix basic. Do a basic streaming audit. So here is I done some audit for you. So you just need to do a basic audit, and you can find issues here, you can find warnings here, and you can find opportunities here. You need to fix all these to get as much exposure in the Google as possible. Then you also need to do a basic SEMrush audit issue. Then you also need to do the content pruning. Content pruning, one of the important thing also. If you take content seriously, because if your content is not performing well in Google, you need to delete that content, or you need to update or refresh that content, or adding more stats, adding more fact and figures or tables, listicle items, images, videos. So the content should be updated and look like new to Google. So also you need to fix Google Search Console errors. Then you also need to do little bit things about technical SEOs. Okay, so you need to check like subdomain issues with this prompt. Then you need to non-secure pages with this prompt. Then you also need to check with the check older pages date stamp and update it. Like for example, let me share you SEMrush. If I can go semrush.com, and I need to check by site. You need to go to tools anytime and go for Blazor past year. Okay, or you need to go to past month. Okay, so you just need to check that if this timestamp and this page title should be the same. For example, if in the title mention is 2025, then date stamp should be 2025. So this is a very basic technical issue. Then you also need to check non-crawlable table check. Let me share you another thing. Google can't crawl the JS directly. Okay, JavaScript. So you need to make sure that uh, you disable your JavaScript on your browser, so you can see that which site or which page is right now using JavaScript. So make sure that you are not using any JavaScript code on your website. Then you also need to check sitemap checks, robot.txt file check. Okay, this is very basic site audit. Then the second step is keyword research. keyword research is extremely important for your site. Okay, so what we do is like we will do the three type of concept or four type of concept. If I can go like for example, what is uh, dental issue or stuff like that, dental problem. Okay, so what I can do, I also cover these type of queries in my content. For example, dental problems and solution, dental problems symptoms, type of dental diseases, dental problems and preventions, common teeth problems. So I what I can try is like I will also edit these content, these type of keyword in my content. Okay, then the second thing I should right now is doing is adding my content and my answer in these type of discussion and forums. Okay, then the second step is also I also find these type of queries, informational based queries mean question based queries. What are dental issues? What is the rule of seven in dentistry? How to solve a dental issue? What are the three major dental problems? So these are the informational blog posts or informational based queries, informational question based queries. Let me tell you another thing in marketing. These type of queries will help your brand exposure more and more every single day, because when someone search about these type of queries, uh, they are in the top of the funnel. Okay, so they right now they don't want to buy. If someone search about what are the three major dental problems, so maybe that people are not right now want to purchase or doing any conversion right now. But the main point is like if you just write a blog post on this article and that user read your blog post in future, whenever they need the dental solutions, maybe they know about your brand because they read about your blog post. So this is a very simple thing. Then the third step is like I use people also ask, for example, you need to go and just press the space. And you can see there's a lot of, for example, what dental issue cause jaw pain, what dental issue cause ear pain. So we also need to mention down these type of queries, so we can also convert these type of users. So this is a very basic keyword research method. Then the second method is also from here. This is a very basic method that everyone knows. For example, go to the href, go to the SEMrush, go to the search address any keyword tool research and find queries from that. Another is like let me share you this thing, sitemaps. So extract your competitor sitemap and find content opportunities from that. And this, for example, look at that thing. For example, there's a lot of content. For example, I just thinking that this sitemap is good. So or like I just need to drop down this thing. Okay, we have this. Let me show you. So you just need to go and find and check if the if this is a site map. Okay, so look at that thing. You can find a lot of queries, a lot of new content ideas from that. Okay, so this is a very basic thing. You just need to go and find the site map and find content opportunities from your competitor also. Then the next step, then the next step is AI engine optimization. Right now, we mostly rely on top five articles. Okay, let me share you a clear goal how Chat GPT is extracting the information from any site. For example, if I can go and tell him expert in London. Okay, so need in English. Okay, so Chat GPT is picking a lot of query, a lot of okay. So look at that thing. Look at that thing. They are picking information from the top, mean top SEO agencies and best SEO agencies. So the best part you can do in AI SEO is top five, best five, top articles, stuff like that. So what we can do is like we will write article according to that. Okay, so we can get a lot of citation in Chat GPT. Then the second, third step is like topical map. Okay, so if I can go and Chat GPT, can you create me a topical map in SEO? So in 2025, you can't just rely on just to cover one article. For example, if you want to work in SEO and you want to create a website, you can't just write one article. What is SEO? You need to cover SEO basic. You need to cover keyword research. You need to cover on-page SEO, technical content SEO, local SEO, off-page SEO, SEO tools, e-com SEO, YouTube SEO, analytics and reporting, and stuff like that. Okay, so you can't just rely on one thing. So in very simple, you need to cover the whole topic, not just one keyword. Then the next step, our main query, our main checklist is here: on page and technical SEO checklist. So you need to fix meta tags, because in your meta tag it should be your main keyword plus your main location. This is very bare minimum. You need to make sure that your main keyword, a main service plus your main location should be mentioned there. Then the second step is try to use your Google Search Console top three keyword in your metas. Okay, this will also help to rank those, because if you're ranking well in Google Search Console at some keyword, if you use those keyword in your meta tags, this will directly increase the ranking of those keywords, because we already tested these things. Then you should place your keyword naturally, for example in alt tag, in your paragraph tag one time. Then internal link, one of the most underrated thing, internal link your main page to the blog page, and you from your blog page to also your main page. And also these all structure should be internal link with the home page, so your crawler should be crawl your page at daily basis. Then the headings structure, schema markup, content optimization, page speed, UX UI also important, image optimization, JavaScript code issue, duplicate version of site, orphan page. You on your site make sure that there's no orphan page, because if there's any orphan page on your site and the pages are not connected with each other with internal link, it's mean that you're missing a lot, because that page will not crawl frequently and they will de-index soon in Google. Then canonical issue, Google Search Console, make sure that you should your one eye should be on the Google Search Console, because Google Search Console need eye, because sometimes they show you a lot of error. Okay, then you go and content freshener, because a lot of site that are for example, if a site is developed in 2025, so make sure that it should be updated yearly or monthly. Okay, then author profile, location pages are important, team pages and about us pages for extremely important, because for EEAT. Then Bing indexing, Yahoo indexing are also important, because if you are doing SEO, basic SEO for Google, so if you just put your site on the Bing indexing and Yahoo indexing, make sure that you put your site on these webmasters also, because when you put your site on Bing and Yahoo, maybe you will rank there also. Okay, you get also more traffic from there. Then AI engine, DuckDuckGo, competitor analysis, one of the more important thing. And one of the underrated thing right now that we recently found is like embed Google Map on each page. Make sure that you embed your Google Map GMB embedded link on your each page. Then our second last step is off-page SEO. Make sure that you should find a brand mention into link. What is brand mention? Let me share you quick method on brand mention. For example, when I go and search do farm comer, look at this thing. I have a profile on the Upwork. Okay, so it's mean that I have a mention on the Upwork. Okay, then I go to school. It's mean that I have the school. Then Behance also. Okay, then TikTok and stuff like that. Okay, so this is a very bandwidth. So make sure that if someone's mentioning your name, make sure that they are getting giving back link to you. Then you should make calculator tools link. For example, a very popular method is cost calculator. Okay, so you need to make those cost calculators. So if someone need that calculator, maybe they will give back link to your site. Then stat link method, PR link method, a very famous in 2025 right now. Nickboard business client method, this is one of my own link method. Make sure that if your client have or you have any uh, friend or any nearby business owner who is running a business and have website, just request them to for a backlink. Simple as that. Then Google, guest post initiative, local citation, easy thing to get. Wikipedia, Wikidata, easy thing to get. Wikipedia is tough. EDU and government backlink are tough. Reddit and Quora backlinks are also mentioned for your site. Okay, so these are the things. Then GMB SEO is another important thing. Okay, this is the last step. Make sure you subscribe our channel and make sure you comment your issues if you have anything. GBP title is the important thing. Primary category is also important. Secondary category, local citation, geotag images, service area should add, setup, active social media. Then we will do GMB post on every week. Then we will do the Google My Business Q&A. GBPS descriptions is important. Site link audit and review. And plus, right now we will also add local backlinks that will help GBP rankings. So this is the checklist that right now we want to give you, and I'm giving the link in the description. Just need to go and click that and make sure you get that link. Thank you so much.